Tonight, yet another twist in the saga involving the once prominent South Carolina attorney, Alec Murdaugh, and the multiple deaths in his family. Newly revealed documents raising questions about his wife, Maggie Murdaugh. In June, she and their son, Paul, were found murdered at home, shot multiple times. Authorities are still investigating their killings. Now, according to a copy originally signed in 2005 of her last will and testament obtained by NBC News through the probate process, Maggie Murdaugh would leave all property to her husband, but oversight of the estate in the event of her death was given to her sister, Marion. But at some point, her sister's name was crossed out, replaced with Alec Murdaugh's own father, written in ink. Just 3 days after Maggie's murder, Alec's father, Randolph, died. His law firm said it was of a previous illness.
I understand that the handwriting does appear to be hers, and so one would like to think, and I do think, that it was done legitimately. However, given the twists that have happened in this case and the charges that have been lodged, I'm sure everything's going to be scrutinized quite closely here.
Murdaugh is facing a storm of allegations surrounding his money, including allegations that he misused funds from his law firm, leading to the suspension of his law license, and insurance fraud charges for allegedly enlisting a hitman to help kill himself so that his surviving son could collect a $10 million life insurance policy. Murdaugh blaming his opioid addiction.
That opioid addiction, frankly, put him on the brink of losing his life. He attempted to commit suicide at the hand of another. And fortunately for him, his family, and those who love him, that was not successful.
Murdaugh also faces charges for withholding millions of dollars he allegedly owes to his family's former housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield. She died at the Murdaugh family's estate back in 2018. Authorities called it an accident, saying she tripped over the family dogs. Murdaugh's lawyer acknowledging in October Murdaugh's legal troubles.
He has indicated clearly that he is going to try to right every wrong, financial wrong, and others that he may have committed. Look, he's reconciled to the fact he's going to prison.
Earlier this month, a South Carolina judge set a $7 million bond against him after a state grand jury brought 48 charges against him, alleging he defrauded about a dozen clients out of more than $6 million.
Heading into 2022, what does Alec Murdaugh's legal future here with these cases look like?
This case has had more twists and turns than one could have possibly imagined. It's very difficult to see how he would not be facing a very, very long prison sentence here in South Carolina.
And Vaughn Hillyard joins us now here in New York. Vaughn, have there been any charges yet for any of the deaths of the people close to Alex Murdaugh?
No, Aaron, and each of the charges against Murdaugh have been tied to those allegations of financial fraud. Murdaugh himself has continued to deny any involvement in the death of his wife, his son, and that longtime housekeeper. As you just heard from his lawyer, he has, though, acknowledged those efforts in an attempt to have himself killed, but he has blamed that incident on opioid withdrawals. We should note we have also reached out to Murdaugh's attorney about his wife's will, but we have not heard back. Aaron?
Vaughn Hillyard with us tonight. Vaughn, thank you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.